Subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hi guys, this is Jazla Ismat and welcome to Jazzy's Recipes. What I bring to your kitchen today is Rava Laddus. You can find the written recipe link in the description box. So let's begin to make the Rava Laddus. First, mix together semolina and grated coconut and then cover it and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Next step is heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan and fry some raisins and cashew nuts and then fry them until the cashew nuts turn golden brown in color and the raisins become plump. Then remove them and keep it aside. Next, in the same pan, add semolina coconut mixture and fry on a low-medium heat until you get a nice aroma and keep stirring constantly without discoloring the semolina. Take care not to brown them and then remove it to a plate. Let's move to the next step to make the sugar syrup by boiling sugar and water to 8. Allow it to boil in medium flame till you achieve 1-string consistency. To check 1-string consistency, when we rub a drop of sugar syrup between our thumb and index finger, it should form a single thread. After the syrup reaches 1-thread consistency, add the roasted semolina coconut mixture, cashews, raisins, ghee and cardamom powder. Keep constantly stirring this for about 4 to 5 minutes and ensure it doesn't burn or brown at the bottom. Now switch off the flame and cover the pan with a lid and keep it aside for 3 to 5 minutes. Make small balls out of this mixture using your hands. Roll the laddus tightly so that they would not break down. So here I have beautiful yummy Rava Laddus. Do try this at home and do not forget to watch what next Jazzy's recipes bring into your kitchen. Do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to Jazzy's recipes. Thank you for watching.